Hello, I'm Andrei from Clever Maps, and I'm going to show you how you can use heat map visualization for location analysis. Firstly, I will quickly show you the Clever Maps platform. Secondly, we will go through a real world examples, 3 of them, to help you imagine how the heat map can be used. And finally, how you can use your own data with a heat map created in Clever Maps with just 3 simple steps. Alright, Clever Maps platform. What you see here is a web interface of Clever Maps. It is a cloud platform full of many great features, but today I will focus only on heat maps. In the top left corner, you see which dataset is currently used. In this example, it is a home addresses of customers which make a purchase in my e-shop. On the right side of a view, you can see a dashboard with 2 metrics. In this example, it is a number of my customers and a total purchase value which they make. The first metric is visualized in a map. It means that the heat map shows with a red color the places where the highest purchases are geographically concentrated. My favorite feature in heat map is so-called area query. I can simply click in a map and the platform automatically computes the metrics for selected area. I can instantly see how many customers I have within 500 meters from the selected point and how much they spend. And even more, I can configure the area to be dynamically computed by travel time. For example, now I know how many customers are within 15 minutes from the selected point and how much they spend. Now, you know the basics of Clever Maps platform. Let's look at 3 real-world examples. We already started with the first one. Imagine you are a fashion e-shop manager and feel that Berlin does not perform well compared to other cities. You simply load your customers' data into platform and you see the northeast part of the city is not active for some reason. Based on this information, you can investigate the competitors in this area, or maybe open a new pickup point, or focus your advertisement there. You save money for properly focused advertisement and gain new customers. Second example, make use of people movement data. Imagine you are a bank ATM network manager and want to place a bunch of new ATMs in Berlin. Your bank have anonymized GPS location data from mobile devices, and you can buy them. By the way, you can buy them online from many providers nowadays. You can visualize your data of people's movement and choose interesting places for ATM based on those data. Use area query again to see how many devices move in this area and how much time the people spend there. Maybe I want 5 minutes, because based on my experience, I know that people are willing to walk 5 minutes to my ATM. I can compare some of the places and choose the place with the highest value. And one small tip, the platform is integrated with Google Street View. So when you choose some place, with one click, I can see how it actually looks there. And the last example, imagine that you are a manager of a bakery chain, and based on your experiences, the best places are nearby schools, offices, and public transport station for a new bakery. I call them symbiotic places or symbiotic partners. You can load those data with schools, universities, offices and public transport stations into Clever Maps, and again use a spatial query to see those symbiotic places within 5 minutes walking and their relevance index. Then choose the right place for a new bakery. And again, one small tip, you can switch visualization to .map to see the precise location of those places. Alright, those were 3 real-world examples, but I believe you can imagine more cases which are useful for you. So there are 3 simple steps how to create the heat map with your own data. Firstly, you need to register into Clever Maps. Go to our website, clevermaps.io, click Try for Free button and fill up the registration form. No payment or credit card is needed. You can also use Google or Facebook accounts to speed up the process. Secondly, choose the heat map from the menu and click English. Click Use with my data button. Name the project as you wish and click Create Project and wait a bit. Then you must upload your dataset. It must be in a CSV format. You can export it from Clever Maps, from Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Download CSV file, and it has to be in a proper format. It must contain exactly 4 columns: ID, latitude, longitude and value. ID is a unique identifier of a point. For example, use a row number. Latitude and longitude are geographical location. You can get them from real-world addresses by a process called geocoding. If you don't know how to do that, contact us and we will help you. And the last one, value. It is a metric value you want to investigate. For example, it was purchase amount of a customer, or a spent time of a device on the location, or the last one, relevance index of a symbiotic place. And that's it. Just load a CSV, wait a few seconds and investigate your data. And final tip at the end, for better readability, you can edit indicator to and its unit. Just press save and do the same with the second indicator, number of customers. Save. And that's it. So today you have learned some basics of Clever Map platform, a heat map visualization, dashboards, metrics, plus some cool features like area query. You saw 3 real-world examples how heat map can be used, and now you know how to create a heat map with your own data. If you found out a heat map is not enough for you, for example, you want to compute more metrics, use different visualization or combine more dataset into one map, do not hesitate to contact us. We will be also happy to hear your feedback on this tutorial and heat maps. You can contact us with integrated app chat, our web form at clevermaps.io, or at email info@clevermaps.io. Thank you for watching, have fun with heat maps, and bye bye.